everyone, it's Morgan. Today, the Director of Maintenance at our Akron terminal, Josten, is going to go over how to reset your inverter. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and turn on notifications for future content.
Let's talk about your inverter and a common problem that we have with them where it trips the breaker. In order to reset that, open up your battery box, reach in here and look at the relay right here. The tripped relay shows just like that. Close it, your inverter is now reset and you can go back to using your PlayStation.